Learn, master and know English.
Hi everyone! In this quick video, we'll look at how to write an informal email in English, perfect for writing to friends, classmates, or family. Let's get started. Tip 1. Use a friendly greeting. Start your email in a warm, casual way. You can say, "Hi Emma." "Hello John." Or just, "Hey." It should feel relaxed and personal. Tip 2. Start with a friendly opening line. Here are some good examples. "Hope you're doing well." Or, "It was great to see you last weekend." This helps set a nice, friendly tone. Tip 3. Keep it simple and clear. Use short sentences and write about everyday topics like your plans, feelings, or news. For example, "I just wanted to ask if you're free this Saturday. We're having a barbecue at my place, and I'd love for you to come." Don't overthink it. Just write like you speak. Tip 4. Use informal language. Use contractions like I'm, you're, will, or can't. And try everyday phrases like, "What's up? I'm so excited," or "Let's catch up soon." Tip 5. Organize your email into clear paragraphs. Paragraph 1. Say why you're writing. Paragraph 2. Give the details, like plans or questions. Paragraph 3. End with a nice, friendly sentence. Tip 6. Use a warm closing. Try phrases like, "Take care," "See you soon," "Best wishes," or "Cheers." Then just add your name. Here is an example of an informal email, catching up with a friend. Subject: Long time no see. "Hi Mark. How are you doing? It's been a while since we last talked, so I thought I'd send you a quick email to catch up. I've been really busy with work lately, but things are going well. I started a new job at a cafe last month. The team is friendly, and I'm learning lots of new things. I'm still getting used to waking up early though. I have to start at 7 a.m. most days. How's everything with you? Are you still taking evening classes? I remember you mentioned a computer course. How's that going? Maybe you can help me fix my laptop sometime. It's been acting really strange lately. Also, I wanted to ask if you're free next weekend. A few friends are getting together at the park for a picnic, and it would be great to see you there. We're meeting around 1 p.m. on Saturday. Bring some snacks if you can. Anyway, I hope everything's good with you. Let me know if you can come. It would be lovely to catch up in person. Take care and speak soon. Lisa."
So there you have it. How to write an informal email. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more.